না হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। यदि प्रभुपाद न হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। পাশ্চাত্যেরা যত পাপী দুরাচারী শূন্যবাদী মায়াবাদী তাদের উদ্ধার করিবারে মন হে না কোন দয়ানিধি, হে না কোন দয়ানিধি। যদি প্রভুপাদ না হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। यदि प्रभुपाद न হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। তাদের নিকট কঞ্জনে আসি বিলাইতে হরি নাম, সভ্য জীব রূপে গড়িতে তাদের হয়তো আকুয়া। দেশে দেশে হরি বিগ্রহ সেবারতি রাত্রি দিনে, রথযাত্রাদি মহোৎসব সব শিখাইতো কঞ্জনে, শিখাইতো কঞ্জনে। যদি প্রভুপাদ না হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। যদি প্রভুপাদ না হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। गीता भागवत चैतन्य चरिता प्रेमामृत रस सारा, कलान सुंदर सरल करियके बुझाई तारा। कत कष्ट साही प्रीतमान राही के बादिता हरि नाम, खेदिता मधेर पुरी वृंदावन मायापुर मत धाम, मायापुर मत धाम। যদি প্রভুপাদ না হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। যদি প্রভুপাদ না হইতো তবে কি হইতো এ জীবন বহিতে কিসে। परम मंगल श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभुर शिक्षा धन आचार प्रचार सदा मादेर के करित नियोजन प्रेम कल्पतरुनिताय गौरेरा कृपा लाभिबारे निर्वाध जय पताकार दया तुम्हार शरण करे तुम्हार शरण करे यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे कि होइतो ये जीवन बहितो किसे यदि प्रभुपाद न होइतो तबे कि होइतो ये जीवन बहितो किसे Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees, Dandavat Pranam, Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, auntie, how are you? Okay, so we have about 6 minutes to go. So maybe we can chant one round of Mahamantra. And in the meantime, we hope more devotees will join. So I will play Srila Prabhupada's chanting.
Ram Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna
Hare Krishna, dear devotees, please accept my humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Welcome to today's program in the auspicious month of Kartik. And we have, I can't say he is a guest anymore. He has been with us for a few times now. His Grace Chaitanya Devdas Prabhu. So welcome
Hare
Prabhuji,
Krishna.
thank you so much for joining. And
And
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So today's topic will be Damodar Leela. So we'll hear about Damodar Leela from Prabhuji. And all of us by now know Prabhuji, but I will just give a very brief introduction. His Grace Chaitanya Devdas Prabhuji is a senior disciple of Guru Maharaj. Shriman Kritadas Adhikari, and Prabhuji lives in Denver. He serves in ISKCON of Denver, Colorado, and a wonderful devotee, wonderful mentor, and always very encouraging and always very inspiring for all of us. And he is very well versed in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, all the literature. Yes. And it is just not he is well versed, he is also, most importantly, he puts everything in application and encourages others to look at these literature from that point of view. That is always very inspiring. So with this short introduction, I will hand it over to you, Prabhuji, now. It's about 8:07, and I'm sure there will be a few more devotees who will join on the way.
Hare Krishna, Dhanavad Pranam, all goes to Prabhupada, all goes to all the assembled devotees. Hare Krishna, please accept my humble obeisances. Hare Krishna. So Dhir Prabhu did the introduction of someone else, not me. And I know a lot of people like what he spoke, and they are all all over the place, but I am just an insignificant servant of a servant. So please forgive me for any mistakes which might come up here, and encourage comments and reflections in the call. So everybody knows Damodar Leela, yeah? Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji always like sessions to be very interactive. So please be responsive, and we can unmute ourselves, we can switch on our cameras, and at least we can answer in yes and no. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Shriman Kratudas Adhikari Jeti Namine. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschyata Desha Tharine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, this is the month of Kartik, Damodar month. Damodar has to come, everybody recite every day and meditate on Radha, Yashoda Damodar, Radha Damodar. And there are so many benefits which Dhir Prabhu your group was displaying on the month of Kartik. But and everybody knows the Leela very well of Lord Damodar. I won't give a big class, but I will just try to summarize a few of the things and the teachings, and we will probably, based on some question answer, we can dive a little more deep into it. Am I audible?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So Krishna appears in Brajabhumi as Supreme Personality of Godhead, but in Brajabhumi he is doing Narvapu Lila, like a human being. And there is no display of Lord's power, what Lord displayed in the battlefield of Kurukshetra and in Dwarka. In Brajabhumi, Krishna is just a simple cowherd boy, which is his original Swarup. His original Swarup is Natvar, Navakishore Natvar. So that is his original Swarup. So Krishna displayed his original Swarup in Brajabhumi. And no display of awe, reverence, or power in Vrindavan. Why? Because Krishna wants to display to the world that even though I am a Supreme Personality of Godhead, everybody knows me as Supreme Personality of Godhead, and they pray me as Devatanam, Iha Devatam. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, Patitanam. I'm the maintainer of all maintenance. Nityo Nityanam, Chetanas Chetananam, Ekoja Bhavanam Vidadhati Kama. I maintain everybody. I am a proprietor of all the planets. Everybody pray me as a maintainer. And I am the, amongst all the gods, amongst all the devatas, I am the topmost deva. I am the devatas of the devata. So Krishna has this introduction in Upanishads and in other Vedic literature. But Lord is displaying in Braj, by his different pastime in Braj Dham, that look, everybody knows me as what we just described, but I love when somebody ties me with their love and chastises me. And I am bound by their intense love. So Krishna is displaying that in Brajabhumi. So in a sense, Lord renounces all the qualities which he has. I mean, he has unlimited quality. How he renounces his qualities is, and let's do a little background of how this pastime happened, then we'll come back into this. So in 10th canto, 11th canto of Bhagavatam, Krishna says, when he is speaking to Uddhava, all different yoga systems, he concludes by saying that na sadhyayati mam yogo na sankyam dharma uddhava na swadhyaya tapastyago yatha bhaktir mama urjita. Oh, my dear Uddhava, the unalloyed devotional service rendered to me by my devotees bring me under their control. Na sadhyayati mam yoga, na sankyam dharma uddhava. So amongst all the process of knowing me, which includes yoga, sankhya yoga, tapasya, swadhyaya, austerities, jnana, all that thing cannot bind me or bring me under the control of my devotee. My very nature is to love and be loved. So, na swadhyaya tapastyago mama yatha bhakti mama urjita. Only by my pure devotional service, one can bind me with their love. He tells that to Uddhava. And to prove that pastime, Krishna, in the 8th chapter of 10th canto, 9th chapter of 10th canto is the Damodar Lila, 9th and 10th. So in 8th chapter, it starts with Krishna eats dirt. So that's called, Madbhakshan Lila. And he eats the dirt. And when all the cowherd friends of Krishna comes and complains to Mother Yashoda that your son has eaten dirt, Mother Yashoda asks Krishna, your friends are complaining that you have eaten dirt. So normally I would have not believed, but even Balaram, who is normally with you, is on the opposite side. So now I am really doubting, did you eat or not eat? So Krishna says, Mother, I just had a fight with everybody. So everybody has made a group against me. They are all lying to me. They are all lying to you. Okay, I ate dirt. I did not eat. And Mother does not believe Krishna, and Krishna then says, okay, you can check my mouth. And as soon as she opens the mouth, she gets a Virat Roop darshan of the entire Brahmandas in Krishna's mouth. And Lord Brahma also prays. Actually, gopis also prays in Gopi Geet about why, how Krishna appears, He says, Akhila Dehinam, Na khalo gopika nandano bhava. Akhila Dehinam antaratmadrik. Vishak vikshana arthito vishwaguptaye sakhya udvegna satvatam kule. You are not actually the son of Gopi Yashoda, oh friend, but rather the indwelling witness in the heart of all the embodied souls. Because Lord Brahma prayed for you to come and protect the universe, you now have appeared in the Satvata dynasty. Right? So Brahmaji, the gopis are praying, Lord Brahma prayed to you to protect earth. So that is why Krishna first takes this dirt also and eats it. Another acharyas, some of our acharyas explains that another reason why Krishna ate dirt was because Krishna just before that drank the milk of Rakshasi Putana and he got poison in his mouth. And there is a Vedic saying that poison can only cut poison. So earth is nothing but poison, so the Lord ate poison. This is another reason why our acharyas give.
Yeah.
So anyway, Krishna then tells Mother Yashoda, okay, you can see my mouth. So as soon as she sees the mouth of the Lord, she sees unlimited Brahmandas floating in the mouth of Krishna. So Krishna immediately sees the reaction of Mother Yashoda, he with his eyes, because he is like with his mouth, with his head like this, and she is opening the mouth. So, and immediately Krishna sees in the eyes of Mother Yashoda that she is bewildered by seeing all these universes. and after seeing that she is bewildered, Krishna gets very fearful. So Krishna, being the one who provides fearlessness to all the devotees, Krishna himself is becoming fearful of Mother Yashoda. Right from that point when he sees that she is bewildered by seeing all these various Brahmandas in her mouth. So then immediately Krishna, now Krishna starts getting nervous. Now why is Krishna getting nervous? Krishna is getting fearful and nervous, and Mother Yashoda is getting bewildered. So why Krishna is getting nervous is, Krishna is thinking now that if my mother comes to know that I am Narayan, because Garg Muni already when he did the Nam Sanskaran, he said that sometimes Narayana will come in your son. Sometimes your son will display the power of like equal to Narayan. So if by seeing this, my mother thinks that I am Narayan and starts doing my arti, I am going to lose all that intimate relationship which I have with my mother, because in a close relationship, if one comes to know, oh, my son is a god, then there is a distance which automatically gets created. So Krishna was very fearful of that fact, and he did not wanted Mother Yashoda to have a feeling of awe and reverence and start doing his arti and forget that intimate relationship which Mother Yashoda had with Krishna. How Mother Yashoda intensely loved Krishna, and how just by thinking of her son's form and her breast milk, automatically milk was pouring from her breast, which is nothing like, which is the significance of her love pouring out of her heart. So Krishna was very fearful of her. Okay, I will not be able to drink my mother's milk anymore. She will do my arti, and there will be distance between me and her now. So Krishna was very fearful of the fact. And when we become fearful of something, what do we do normally as a human nature? What do? We try to do something extraordinary so that that fear goes away, right? Or we involve that person, right? Suppose we have a fight with our wife, or wife has a fight with husband. Then we try to make it up by some pompous gifts, or, by calling her 10 times that, honey, I love you, or this and that, so that she forgets that distance which was created by that fight. So Krishna, that was one of the reasons why Krishna planned this, Krishna's energies, Yogamaya Shakti planned this pastimes of Damodar Lila. And the other reason of Damodar Lila was also where Sukdev Goswami, when Parikshit Maharaj asks Sukdev Goswami that Rishni and Sutapa in their previous life, they did so much of tapasya, and they became Devaki and our Vasudev. And Devaki and Vasudev went through so much of austerity to beget Krishna as a child. But look at Yashoda's fortune, how Yashoda Mai had such a intense, loving, intimate relationship with her son. But Devaki went through all the pain. But Devaki Maya never got that same love and reciprocation of Krishna as did Yashoda Mai. So to explain that, Sukdev Goswami recites this pastime. And the foremost reason to recite that pastime is to show the power of love of Krishna in Vrajabhumi. So that is one of the foremost reason why this Leela was performed, to show the power of love of a pure devotee. And second is to glorify, second reason to do this Leela was to glorify Mother Yashoda's glories, or the glories of Mother Yashoda's love for Krishna in Vatsalya Bhav. That was the second reason. And third reason was Krishna wanted to display that even though I am possessor of all opulence, I am Atmaram, I am self-satisfied, I am Atmaram, I am a controller of everything, I am self-satisfied, Atmakam. Atmakam means if you offer to me patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati. Salilam pradaya, tulsi dal, if you give me in my lotus feet, tulsi and Ganga jal, I am satisfied. So I am Atmakam. And then I am Trigunatit, means I am beyond three modes of material nature. I never get angry. Anger is a product of which mode of nature? Any devotees would like to speak?
Rajasa.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
Rajasam and Tamoguna.
Yeah, Rajagun. The anger. Very good, Rambabu Prabhu. Thank you. So Krishna is renounced. Krishna is Trigunatit, right? He is beyond three modes of material nature. Three modes of nature are within him. So Krishna is displaying in Vraja. And third is Krishna provides fearlessness to all the devotees who take shelter under his lotus feet. So all these qualities, Atmaram, Aptakam, Trigunatit, and Abhayankara, right? Abhaydan. So Krishna is renouncing all these qualities in Brajdham in this Leela. So Krishna is saying displaying to the devotees while doing this Leela, okay, look, I am Atmaram, I am Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, but this is a what do you call a calling to everybody who worships all the other devatas and devis that this is where you need to come and bow down. Why? Because one who possesses all this quality is renouncing all these qualities and coming under the control of a devotee. Here Mother Yashoda was feeding me milk, and she went and wanted to take care of the milk which was boiling on the stove. I left the ocean of milk to come here in Vrindavan. I left the ocean of milk. I was lying in the ocean of milk. I left that much amount of milk to come and drink Yashoda Mai's milk. And Yashoda Mai is putting me on the side to go and take care of 1 liter milk on the stove. What is this going on? I don't like this. This action irritates me. I need to drink more milk. Even though I am Atmaram, I am hungry. I am not satisfied with little milk you give me in the morning. I will drink up to my satisfaction. How come she dropped me from her lap and kept me? So I will get angry. I will now show that I'm going to renounce my Trigunatit nature. I'm renouncing my nature of Aptakam. You were giving me little milk in the morning before going and offering Hare Krishna, please accept it. So I am saying I am going to renounce that Aptakam nature. Oh, my dear devotees, and I am now hungry. Feed me more. So their Mother Yashoda, my mother, kept me on the side. I am getting angry. I am hungry. Feed me more. So now when you are angry, what do?
Destruction.
Get angry, leave the home. If you fight with wife, you say, okay, I'm not going to eat today. Thank you very much. I will eat in Govinda's. I'm going. Right? You do something different.
Challenging, yeah.
You know?
We don't have Govinda, Prabhuji.
Or we will eat in Tungvidya Mataji's home. So when you get angry, you want to get attention. So Krishna got angry, renounced his Trigunatit nature beyond the 3 modes of material nature. Plus, he wanted to tell Mother Yashoda also, look, I left the ocean of milk, and you are worried about your 1 liter milk on this gas stove. I didn't come here just for this 1 liter milk. Okay, let me drink. Anyway, so Krishna renounced that. So then, after all this, after renouncing all these qualities, then he became angry and started destroying all the work, all the hard work which Mother Yashoda did to please Krishna while he was sleeping. You know, she wanted to take, to make the butter from milk, and she wanted to get the milk from the special cows which Krishna liked. And Krishna destroyed all that. He took the stone, grinding mortar stone, and he broke the parts. And then if somebody's hard work is destroyed, then what happens? She gets angry now. Now the anger is prevalent in the Nanda Bhavan now. And mind you, Nanda Maharaj is not there at all when all this is happening. Nanda Maharaj in the morning took his breakfast and went to work in the fields. So this is happening between son and the mother. And then when all this is happening, all the other gopis in and around the house of Mother Yashoda, elderly gopis, young gopis, they start gathering around. And slowly, Krishna's friend also comes to know that there is a kalaha going on between mother and son. So that's how Damodar Lila happens. And now, because of the fear of Mother Yashoda, Krishna is now fearful. So Lasat Nama Mishwaram Sachidananda Swarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Vrajamanam. So Satyavat Muni says that Ishwar, Namaha Ishwaram, that Ishwar I bow down to, who has his original Swarupa, who in his original Swarupa, Satchidananda Swarupa, Namaha Ishwaram Satchidananda Rupam. And that Ishwar is being introduced as one who is wearing earrings on his ear holes. And those earrings are being glorified in the scriptures because they are kissing the cheeks of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And when Krishna is running in the fear, those earrings to and fro are touching the ears of Krishna. Because in spiritual world, everything is conscious. So earrings are also conscious. So Namaha Ishwaram, Namaha Ishwaram, Satchidananda Swarupam, Lasat Kundalam, Gokule Brajamanam. Then Yashoda Bhiyu Lukhala Dhava Bhavanam, Param Rishtam Atyanta Tato Drutya Gopya. So anyway, we are covering in quick. Each and every word is full of mellows, and each and every word can be described for hours together. So, but that Ishvara, who has this beautiful form of a baby Krishna, this is not just a baby. This is baby Ishvara in the form of baby. Bal Mukundam. So that Ishvara is fearful of Mother Yashoda, and he's renouncing that I provide fearlessness. So that Ishvara which provides fearlessness is fearful of the stick of Mother Yashoda. In every step of this Leela, Krishna is displaying his qualities which he is renouncing because he loves to be chastised by his mother. Because who will chastise Krishna? Chastisement can only happen if there is a love. So in that loving relationship of as a son and the mother is chastising son because son right now is not a good behaving son. He's mischievous son. He's doing a lot of mischiefs. So externally Krishna is fearful, but internally Krishna is very happy. And when we understand that, we understand, when we understand this love of Krishna for his devotees, we become sold out. We become sold out to that God, because a lot of times we as a conditioned soul think that God has made this material world with so much of misery and he has put us here. Why did he do that? Because we became very mischievous and we were not listening to him. So to correct us, to correct all these rebellious souls, this material world got created because we wanted it. So Krishna was merciful, so he said, okay, you want to be rebellious of my nature and myself, without me you will not be happy, but you don't believe it, so you experience it by yourself. You can now take birth after birth in 8,400,000 species of life, and if you come to this point of realization that in this world there is no happiness, then by my mercy you will achieve a lotus feet of my pure devotee, by whose blessing you will turn towards me, and hopefully that will be your beginning to come towards me, and I will welcome you with both my hands. So that is why Krishna does these leelas. This is the whole purpose of Krishna doing this leela, is to attract the conditioned soul towards his beautiful nature. And Krishna not only, otherwise why would he come here and do all this leela? He has no reason to do this leela. His sole reason is to attract the conditioned soul who have forgotten him from time immemorial. So Krishna not only knows his qualities, but he does his qualities. I mean, he exhibits his qualities in such a way so that conditioned soul get attracted. This is the merciful nature of the Lord. He comes here, does his leela so that we can get attracted to him. And this leela of Braj leela of Damodar leela is, and before that Krishna's universal form, and then he delivering the Yamala Arjuna trees, is such a wonderful, sweet pastimes of the Lord that if anyone who does not get attracted to this leela, Shastra says that he has a heart of iron. His heart is iron-hearted. If somebody does not get attracted to this leelas. So that's what the Shastra says. But we all devotees on the call are attracted to these leelas. That's why we are hearing them. And when we hear them over and over again, it becomes very sweet day by day. So these are some of the reasons why Krishna does this leela. Krishna renounces his qualities, and Krishna does not want Yashoda Mai to recall all the Aishwarya Bhav she developed when she saw the Virat Roop form in his mouth. Once Prabhupada was asked in a temple, one devotee came and he asked Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, that why don't you worship this form of Radha Krishna is very good, but it is just looks like a simple cowherd boy. Some people may not accept him as God. So why don't you install this Virat Roop deity in the temple? So Prabhupada said, yeah, that's a very good idea. That will tell everybody. The devotee said, yeah, that will tell everybody how Krishna is, how big he is, and his opulence and so on and so forth. So then Prabhupada said, yeah, that's a good idea, but I have a question, Prabhupada said. And the gentleman who suggested said, okay, what is the question? He said, Prabhupada said, how will we dress that Virat Roop? The Virat Roop is so big. To dress the Virat Roop, we need such a big cloth. And what offerings can we make to Virat Roop? Because Virat Roop will eat everything and anything. So Prabhupada made a joke. He said, Virat Roop can even eat the person who is offering. So Prabhupada said, look, that is a good idea, but it won't be feasible for us. We want to offer, little raita, little rice, little sabji, little sweet in a katori to the Lord, and Lord will glance over it, he will eat it, and he will leave rest as a prasadam for us. This idea looks more acceptable than installing a Virat Roop deity. What do you think? The other person surrendered to Prabhupada. He said, yes, you are right. We cannot install Virat Roop deity. But anyway, Yashoda Mai got influenced by the Aishwarya Bhava of Krishna, and Krishna did not want that. So Krishna was very fearful. Before Damodar Lila itself, Krishna was fearful because he wanted to he did not want that gap to widen, because once it widens, it is very difficult to bring it back. Once one devotee came to the temple here, and he was asking devotees, and that Prabhuji was in a, always in a little angry mood, Narsimbhav, all the time. So, and devotees used to stay away from him. So he asked temple president, look, you know what, I want to associate with devotees, but they go further away from me when I come. So then the temple president knew his bhava. He said, okay, I understand the problem. Why don't you smile, all the time? So he used to come into the temple and he started smiling. So he saw the devotees started going further away from him. And he came to the temple, he went to one of the devotees and said, look, you know what, I'm changing, I'm smiling, and I see that you guys are going further away. What is the reason? They said, look, it looks a little, not a normal behavior of yours, because you are a little different now, because you are smiling. So we don't know what is going to come next. So, because you are smiling. So similarly, Krishna thought that if my mother Yashoda knows that I have my Aishwarya Bhavna, if she worships me in Aishwarya, she will not come closer to me now. And I am going to lose all the reciprocation. So I don't want her to go further away. Let me do something unique. So hence the Damodar Lila. Hence the Damodar Lila. So these are a few reasons why Krishna appears, because Krishna is Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun. He wants to only enjoy the mellows of his transcendental pastimes, of loving reciprocation with his devotees. That is his only business. And after all this Leela, Vraja Leela happens, Krishna suddenly remembers that I only did, I forgot to do Vinashaya cha Duskritam. I am only doing my rasa aswadan with devotees. Now I have to do Vinashaya cha Duskritam. So then he goes out of Vrindavan and does Mathura Lila. And then Vinashaya cha Duskritam starts happening. Killing of Kamsa and all those things. And Kurukshetra Yudh, all that big Aishwarya Lila starts happening. So I think we can stop here. I'll take some reflection, some questions, some more pastimes. Any questions?
Sure,
Any
Rohit.
comments, reflections?
So, Hare Krishna, everyone. Any questions, any comments, anything you would like to share, please unmute yourself. We have quite a few devotees. We have Ajay Prabhu, Neena Mataji, Madhu Mataji, Amar Prabhu, Rachna Mataji, Radha Shyam Sundar Prabhu, Ram Babu Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam, Mother.
Prabhuji, I have a question. Like the Leela happened in the courtyard, right? The Nand Bhavan. So it was in the storage area where the Yashoda Maiya saw the motor and Krishna was standing there. Then they both were running, right? They ran for some time. Then she, how many hours, Prabhuji?
12 hours from morning sunrise to sunset.
Wow.
So then they came back in the Nand Bhavan because she tied him over there, or she pulled him there?
So this is happening in the courtyard. So Nand Bhavan means the whole house of Nand Maharaj was
the palace, yeah.
And this is happening in the courtyard back where open angan, right? Tulsi is in the center. And so Yashoda Mai was sitting outside and doing the Dadi Manthan.
Yeah.
So it's an open area. and the boundary wall is right there. It's an open area.
So they both were running inside only, right?
No, outside. Matlab, the courtyard. They were running in the courtyard.
Okay. Okay.
So and the yogurt pots are up on the rafter in the rooms,
Yeah.
right? And so when Krishna broke the pots which were hanging up by the rafting strings, then Krishna took the butter from the pots and started feeding the monkeys. And those are the monkeys which our acharyas explain that they are the same monkeys which Krishna could not reciprocate in Ram Lila when they helped Lord Ram to build the bridge over Lanka. So Krishna wanted to reciprocate with those monkeys, but he could not do in the Ram incarnation. So now when they were there in Vrajdham, Krishna was personally reciprocating with them by feeding with his own hands.
Sure.
So after that, when he saw that Mother Yashoda is able to find me, then Krishna started running back in the courtyard. He came out of the rooms and went back in the open courtyard. And that's when Mother Yashoda kept running, caught him. He put the rope, but the rope was not being tied, and the rope was falling short. And then all the other cowherd ladies, all the other gopis, elderly gopis, was seeing Mother Yashoda running, but none of the gopis, elderly gopis, said to Yashoda Mai, look, Mother Yashoda, you cannot tie him up. They never said that. They said, it is not in Krishna's fortune or in Krishna's bhagya to get tied today. You are tying. So when we are doing parishram, so Mother Yashoda is doing effort, so much of effort. So other devotees, when they see the one devotee is doing an effort, they don't discourage him and saying, oh Prabhu, or Mataji, you have done enough now. Now, you cannot do. So the gopis are giving a lesson to us that by saying to Mother Yashoda that it's not that you cannot tie Krishna. It is in Krishna's nature not to be tied. So they are actually encouraging Mother Yashoda. So by their comments, Mother Yashoda did not lose the hope. Rather she gained the hope that I will be able to tie Krishna. Because the other gopis were, their comments was very favorable to Mother Yashoda, because Mother Yashoda was doing very hard work running around for 12 hours and Krishna was not coming under control. So this is another lesson. There are so many hidden lessons in this Leela, but thanks for asking that question. If you would have not asked, I would have not been able to tell this.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
So Leela was happening, and how the devotees were reciprocating with Mother Yashoda was wonderful. And then after Mother Yashoda does all this running around, Krishna sees the perspiration on her body, how she's sweating, and how all her makeup has come up and everything. Mother is now very tired. And if I go further, she is going to just collapse here. So Krishna brought her hard work to the epitome and then agrees to be tied up. So Sukadeva Goswami says that Swabandhane. He says, Swamathu Svinna Gatraya Vishratra Kabra Srajjaha Drishtva Parishram Krishna Kripa Asit Swabandhane. Because of Mother Yashoda's hard labor, her whole body became covered with perspiration, and the flowers and the comb in her hair were falling apart. When child Krishna saw that his mother has thus been fatigued, he became very merciful to her and agreed to be bound. So Krishna is saying that if you want to tie me with your love, oh my dear devotees, you got to work very hard in your devotional service. Devotional service is not a piece of cake. It is hard. Hard means it is easy, but hard means that you have to be at it every day with enthusiasm. Don't take it casually. Okay, today I chanted, and next day, even if I don't chant, still Krishna will love me. Yeah, Krishna still loves you, but Krishna reciprocates according to your effort. So Mother Yashoda here put a lot of effort to tie Krishna, but she still couldn't tie him. After all the effort were exhausted, Krishna became merciful. So the rope, when it falls finger too short, means two things. One is the efforts of devotee in devotional service, and second is Krishna's mercy, which comes after he sees that devotee is serious and sincere in serving me. So the mercy flows when we become eligible to receive the mercy. So this is how, by the hard work of Mother Krishna, by Mother Yashoda, Krishna gets tied up by the love of Krishna. So Krishna is displaying the power of love of Mother Yashoda in this pastime. The power of love is tremendous. So Krishna can only be bound by the power of his love.
Yes, Prabhuji. Second text में वो last time आता ना भक्तिर बदम, only from the bhakti we can find.
Yeah, Bhaktir Bhadam. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Prabhuji. Yeah.
And then Krishna is also displaying Runduntam Mohur Netra Yugam Rijantam. All those. So another attribute is when while Krishna renounced all his attributes of his qualities like Atmaram, Aptakam, Trigunatit, right? What we just explained in the beginning of the class. Even then Krishna is displaying his absolute truth nature. How? How is he displaying? Runduntam muhur netra yugam rijantam. Karam bhoja yugamena sa tanka netram. Sa atank ka netram. Even by looking, when Krishna is running forward and Mother Yashoda is running with the stick, Krishna sa atanka netram. His eyes are full of atank. Matlab, he is very, very fearful. Satanka netram. Atank, like we know Atankavadi, right? That word.
Fearful.
Fearful. Satanka netram. And so when somebody is fearful and somebody is crying, what happens to that person? You see his face, what happens? How does he look like?
Becomes red and like.
Basically becomes what? Like you become like somebody will see my eyes, which is swollen, and because
Rubbing eyes, yeah.
I have been crying, plus I am fearful. Look, people don't want to show their face to somebody when somebody is crying for a long time, isn't it?
Yes.
But here what is happening? Krishna, Runduntam Muhur Netra Yugam Rijantam. My dear Lord, you are rubbing your eyes with your two sweet lotus hand for so many hours. But what it does to your face, Muhus Chumbitam Bimba Rakta Dharam mein. Your Mother Yashoda, after kissing your cheeks every time, that cheek which has gotten red is now gotten more reddened. And in turn, what is happening, my dear Krishna, to your face? Your beauty has enhanced.
Yeah.
After you crying for so long, your eyes have not swollen. Rather, your face is becoming more beautiful and relishable. This is the absolute nature of God Sri Krishna. This shows that Krishna is Absolute. Even if he smiles, even if he cries, oh, this is a beautiful picture. Krishna,
Yeah.
still sweet. So this is the absolute nature of Krishna. Who will not want to love that God? Today, who will not love that God? Today itself, we have to love that God. This is how you want to capture him. So Krishna is just saying that even after I cry for 12 hours, my nature, my body, Satchidananda Swarupam is always there. My beauty is enhanced when I cry. When my cheeks are reddened like a bimba fruit, by running around and by my mother of kisses of Mother Yashoda, still I look beautiful. So this pastime also displays that even after all this, Krishna is beautiful. That is the absolute nature of Krishna. So many things are there in these pastimes. I mean, we didn't even talk about the rope. We didn't even talk about the ukhal. We didn't even talk about Nanda Maharaj. When he comes, what happens when the Arjuna and when the Arjuna Yamala trees fall down, why they fall down, how they fall down. Is endless. Very nice question. Any other questions or comments or reflections? Anybody would like to share or glorify Krishna or Yashoda Mai? Anybody?
Thank you, Prabhuji. Wonderful points. Like the more you hear them, the more you get realizations. So one point I liked when you were talking about how Krishna renounces his qualities like Atmaram, Atmakam, Trivrantit, all that.
Aptakam, yeah, Atmaram, Aptakam.
So I was always like, we always know about 6 opulences that Krishna has. One of them is renunciation. So I always had a hard time, I could believe and have faith that sure he has that qualities, but there are not enough examples of that. But I think today I got a very clear understanding from this Leela when you explained that how he renounces all his opulences and he showed by example.
Yeah, one I missed. I will add that. So Krishna is Lakshmipati. He is the owner of all things. Lakshmi Sahastra Sata Sambhava Sevyamanam Govindam Adipurusham Ambajami Brahma Samhita. So here Krishna is saying, look, I am the owner of all the Lakshmis. I am going to renounce that today. How will I renounce? So how does a Birla renounces his Lakshmi? What will happen to Birla if he renounces his Lakshmi? Huh?
Birla.
Huh? If Birla says, I am going to renounce all my Lakshmi today, all my opulence today, so what will happen to Birla?
He will become poor.
Will he become pauper?
Pauper.
Then what will he start doing if he becomes pauper?
Begging.
सब कुछ दे दिया, अभी खाएगा कैसे?
Right.
What? How will he eat?
Begging.
No, stealing. So Krishna says, I am going to now renounce everything. Lakshmi Pati, I am renouncing even that. So what I am going to do now? I am going to steal.
Oh.
I will become butter thief. Now you still don't want to love me? Come on, look at me. I am renouncing even my Lakshmi Pati. And I am stealing. That is why Adharam Madhuram. That is why Adharam Madhuram. What is that? Sing that song. Madhuram. Huh? Gamanam Madhuram.
Chalitam Tipati Akhilam Akhilam.
Adhuram Madhuram Vadanam Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam
Madhuram. In that you will say Gamanam Madhuram and stealing also Madhuram. So this original stealing came from Krishna only. People stealing, how do they get stealing? Because this quality is there in Krishna. That's why it's there in us. But our stealing is bad. Why? Because our stealing is for our own sense gratification. Krishna's stealing is for enhancing the love of his devotees for him. So that is why he steals, so that his devotees will love him. That is why all the elderly gopis, even though outside they used to complain to Mother Yashoda, okay, hey, look, your Kana comes and steal butter every time in my house. Can you please tell him not to come and steal? But inside the heart, they want him to come and steal that butter. Because his stealing is such a wonderful thing. I will give you one example of his stealing. You want me to give an example of his stealing?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So I forgot the name of this gopi, but it is there in Garg Samhita. So this gopi decides for sure she's going to catch Krishna. And that too red-handed while stealing. And Krishna finds it out that this gopi has decided to catch me and take me to Mother Yashoda so that I can be punished. Because Mother Yashoda, after all these gopis come every day, Mother Yashoda also gets tired. She said, okay, if you say I believe you, okay, my son steals. If you catch him red-handed, bring him to me, and in front of you, I will punish him.
Yeah.
And then this one gopi decides that today I will catch him when he comes and steals me. So what she does all this trick of hanging the butter in, at the topmost, the raffle, and everything she does to protect the butter. And Krishna, somehow or the other, reaches that pot of the butter by his cowherd boys. You might have seen a picture, this South Indian painting, one gopa over the other, 2-3 gopas on top of the other, and Krishna climbs on top of the topmost gopa and try to break the butter pot. It was at that gopi's home. So anyway, she catches him finally. So Krishna comes down, he has a butter. Now, seeing that she's coming, all the gopas flee. Krishna cannot flee because Krishna slips, because he has got butter everywhere, and she catches him. Now she's very happy. Okay, I got hold of Krishna. And Krishna is now very fearful. Very fearful. And she holds him tight and takes him, drags him out of the home and starts her journey to Mother Yashoda. And Krishna in between very, folds, she has one hand of Krishna. So Krishna cannot even fold hand now. So Krishna makes his face like a, very, very daya wala face. Okay, please be merciful to me. So she looks at him. He said, pakda gaya aaj, pakda gaya. So he said, look, Maiya, abhi tune mere ko pakad liya hai. You caught me. Do me one favor. I know mother is going to beat me, scold me. Please put your chunari on my head because I don't want to show my face to my mother. Can you please do this? And she got sold out to Krishna with that plea. And she said, okay, as soon as I take you to Mother Yashoda, I'll put my chunari on your head. And Krishna is smiling inside the chunari. And she said, Yashoda, I got your son this time. And she is like, you got Krishna? You got Krishna? Okay, let me see. So first she calls and all that. Then Mother Yashoda comes. Now Krishna is very scared now. And then she's about to pull. And he tells, no, don't pull. My mother is, don't pull the chunari. My mother is going to hit me, hit me, hit me. But she said, no, I have to, because I have caught you. So she said, she doesn't listen to Krishna. She takes her veil off. As soon as she takes her veil off, guess who is standing next to her? It is not Krishna, it is her husband. And Mother Yashoda sees that she got her husband. So she said, hey, uska gopi ka naam leke bole, hey, whom did you get? You didn't get my Kana, you got your husband. You got your pati. And she looks at it and she screams, ah! And then she gets scared. And Krishna, of course, ran away. And then she feels very ashamed. So as soon as she comes out of the home, Krishna is standing there behind the trees whistling like this. And she looks at him and said, eh, you again? You became my husband? Krishna goes very close by, said, look, abhi to main nakli bana tha. If you catch me again, catching butter, next time I'll actually become your husband. And she gets scared. So this is the Krishna's Leelas in Brajabhumi. This is the actual pastime in Garg Samhita. So these are the sweet pastimes of the Lord who will not get attracted. So my request to everybody is, enjoy this Damodar month, relish the qualities of Lord, get attracted to the Lord, become his devotee, chant Hare Krishna, make your life successful. Hare Krishna, happy Damodar month, happy Kartik.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for this nectarian katha and pastimes. I know you have to go and take care of another Bhakti Vriksh right after this. So
Thank you very much. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu bhayavacha patitanam pavanebhyo namo.
Hare
Guru Gaurang ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Kartik Das ki jai. Bark
प्रभु जी
Bhakti. Yes.
प्रभु जी राधा गोविंद महाराज की एक बहुत सुंदर कथा है जिसमें उन्होंने इस पूरी लीला का डिस्क्रिप्शन किया है कि मैया यशोदा कैसे अर्ली गेटअप होती हैं और उन्होंने सारे मेड सर्वेंट्स को ऑफ दिया होता है एंड हाउ शी इज पुटिंग आउट द सिल्कन क्लॉथ और जो वो रन कर रही हैं उसका भी इतना ब्यूटीफुल डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है महाराज ने उस कथा में बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes. That's what I said, that each and every word, if we do this Leela, we can do it for whole year on each and every word of each and every shloka of this Leela.
Yeah, Prabhu ji, बहुत ही beautiful description है. It reminds me of that just because he was explaining. Thank you so much, Prabhu ji. It was really beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
His Grace Chaitanya Devdas Prabhu ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Shri Guru Maharaj ki jai.
Aapki jai. Hare Bol.
Hare Bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. So thank you, everyone. Prabhuji had to leave because he has a couple of other Bhakti Rikshas running in Denver. So any realizations, anything anyone want to add or say or express? Was it nice? At least. Okay. Okay. So if no comments, we can move to the next part of the program. So just an announcement, this Sunday, we will complete our remaining Shri Govardhan Parikrama on this Sunday, 22nd November at 10
Hari
a.m.
Bol.
So,
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. So we are stuck in between the Govardhan right now. We are resting there. So we'll start our Parikrama with the devotees there. So please join us again on Sunday morning at 10 a.m. And we will complete the Parikrama in the wonderful association of all the devotees and all the nectarian pastimes that we are listening. And then on the coming Friday, it's a long weekend. So this month end, probably devotees might not be available. They must be having family time. So we'll skip the program on next Friday. And then we will meet on the following Friday on the first weekend of December. So please be safe and enjoy the time, family time. Anyone would like to sing Damodar Ashtakam? I don't see much devotees here. So maybe Bhavya, you would like to sing?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Let me share.
Should I start? Namamishwaram Sachidanandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Vrajamanam Namamishwaram Sachidanandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Vrajamanam Yashoda Violukaladavamanam Paramrishtamatyantam Judata Gopya Yashoda Violukaladavamanam Paramrishtamatyantam Judata Gopya Rudanta Muhurnitram Yugmam Jantam Karam Bhajayukmena Santakanitram Rudanta Muhurnitram Jantam Karam Bhajayukmena Santakanitram Hasakam Patirikanta Kanta Sita Gaivam Damodaram Bhakti Vadam Mohoshashakam Patirikanta Kanta Sita Gaivam Damodaram Bhakti Vadam Iti Dvaksvalila Pirananda Kunde Swagosham Nimajantam Akhapayantam Iti Dvaksalila Virananda Kunde Swagosham Nimajantam Akhapayantam Tadi Siddhajeshu Bhakti Jitatvam Puna Prematastam Shata Vritti Vande Tadi Siddhajeshu Bhakti Jitatvam Puna Prematastam Shata Vritti Vande Param Devam Moksham Na Moksham Vadima Nachanyam Raneham Varishadapiha Varam Devam Moksham Na Moksham Vadima Nachanyam Raneham Varishadapiha Idam Tima Purnata Gopala Balam Sada Me Manasya Virashtam Kimane Idam Tima Purnata Gopala Balam Sada Me Manasya Virashtam Kimane Idam Te Mukham Vajamatyantan Vitam Kundalai Snegharaktaste Gopya Idam Devukam Vajamatyadanilai Vitam Kundalai Snegharaktaste Gopya Muhushtam Vitam Bimbaraktaadaram Manasya Virashtamanam Rakshilabhe Muhushtam Vitam Bimbaraktaadaram Manasya Virashtamanam Rakshilabhe Namo Devaya Damodarananta Vishnu Prasida Prabhudoka Jalabhimagnam Namo Devaya Damodarananta Vishnu Prasida Prabhudoka Jalabhimagnam Kripa Dushti Vrishchati Dinam Vatanu Gana Hishama Magyami Dikshidesya Kripa Dushti Vrishchati Dinam Vatanu Gana नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुलालं गोकुले भजमानम् यशोदाभियोलुकलाधवमानम् परामृष्टमत्यन्तद्रुतगोप्या जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर राधे जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर श्री राधे जय राधा दामोदर राधा दामोदर श्री राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे निताय गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौरा हरि बोल जय जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद जय श्री प्रभुपाद निताय गौर नंदी श्री राधा दामोदर जी की हरि बोल।
Hari Hari Bol. Thank you, Bhavya. And now we can do the Narsimha prayer. Anyone would like to sing on the call? Narsimha prayer. Kishore Kishori ki jai. Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Mai ki jai. Shri Shri Radha Damodar ki jai. Yashoda Damodar ki jai. Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai. Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Shri Gurudev ki jai. Anyone would like to volunteer to sing Narsimha prayer? Okay, I see Shrikant Prabhu joined also. Anya? Anya is there? I don't know.
नहीं भैया आन्या सोने गई.
Okay, no problem, Didi. Shrikant Prabhu, would you like to sing Narsimha prayer?
Yeah, sure, Prabhu.
Hari Bol Jai.
Hare Krishna. Namaste Narasimhaya.
नमस्ते नरसिंहाय
प्रहलाद लाददायिने
प्रहलाद लाददायिने
हिरण्यकशिपूर्वक्षः
हिरण्यकशिपूर्वक्षः
शिलाटङ्कानकलाये इतो नरसिंह परतो नरसिंह
इतो नरसिंह परतो नरसिंह
यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह
यतो यतो यामि ततो नरसिंह
बाहिर्नरसिंह हृदये नरसिंह नरसिंहमदिं शरणं प्रपद्ये
नरसिंहमदिं शरणं प्रपद्ये
तव करकमलवरेणका अद्भुत श्रृंगा दलिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
तव कर अद्भुत शृंगार दलिता हिरण्यकशिपो तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव
जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव
जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज
जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज
जय जय गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव
जय जय गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
जय नरसिंह भगवान की
Yeah.
थैंक यू प्रभु
Thank you, Shrikant Prabhu. Thank you so much. Very nice. So thank you, all the devotees. Once again, on this Sunday morning at 10 a.m., we'll continue with the Govardhan Parikrama and complete it on this Sunday itself. So please join us on the Zoom. And then, of course, we still have few days left for Kartik. So please, just like Yashodama was putting so much effort to capture Krishna, right? That's the symbolic too, that we have to make a lot of effort. Results will be there or not, doesn't matter. It's all depend on Krishna's mercy. Remember, Prabhuji talked about why the rope was shot by 2 fingers, because one finger represent the effort, the devotees, and the second finger represent the mercy of Krishna. So both needs to be there. But effort is the prerequisite. So we should, for the cause of Krishna, we should keep making efforts and bring as many as souls possible towards Krishna. This is the order of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Krishna himself. So that is the desire of Krishna. So pleasing Krishna, making effort for Krishna means doing what he wants, right? So that's the order of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to preach, to bring Krishna, to bring all the souls, all the conditioned souls towards Krishna as much as possible. So keep reaching out to your friends, contact them, and encourage them to perform Aarti in this auspicious month of Kartik. And you can yourself do a phone call or video call and sing with them, encourage them to perform Aarti. It doesn't have to be like, if they don't prefer in public, you just between you and them, you can do that somehow, by hook and crook. So try, make the effort. Krishna just monitors the effort. The results are in his hand. Thank you again. With that, we will end the program today, and we'll see you all on Sunday morning again at 10 a.m. Hare Krishna.
हरे
Thank
कृष्ण
you
प्रभु
so much for joining. Hare Bol.
हरे कृष्ण करो
Hare Krishna, Rama Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Rachna Didi.
Hare Krishna.
Jai Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Madhu Didi.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
Hare Krishna Didi.
Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you so much for the
Thank you,
opportunity.
Shrikant Prabhu. And if you want, Prabhu, you can just join back in a few minutes. We will do the Damodar prayer Aarti again.
Wow, nice. Okay, Prabhu.
For you, yeah. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.